If you've got a lawn that has struggled this winter or one that is sat in the shade, then the likelihood is that it has thinned out and you've lost a little bit of density. And there are only 3 ways to create more density in your lawn. You can overseed, you can feed, and you can cut. Overseeding should be the last resort. That's kind of like your break glass when we get to the end of April, start of May. But before then, we can feed and we can cut. Last week, I posted a video where we gave this lawn its first feed of true grass. And if we just get down to the sward level now, you can see that we've had quite a bit of growth in the last week. A mixture of the temperatures and the lawn feed has meant that things have really started to kick off. And that means that it's time to give this lawn its first cut. I'm going to put the lawnmower on the middle setting because I don't want to take too much off. I just want to start the pruning process. But literally giving your lawn a cut is so much more important than overseeding. It's even more important than giving your lawn a feed because it's the act of pruning and like nature and temperatures doing the thing that really do create that density. So, you know, you can try and buy your way to a boss lawn, but really it's about just getting the basics right. I can just hear from that first initial pass that it's not taken much off whatsoever, so I'm just going to drop the height of cut ever so slightly and just cross my fingers, hope for the best. Well, I think for its first cut, I don't think that looks too bad, to be quite honest. It's tidy things up. That's its first cut since October, so happy days. And again, if we're getting over the top of the sward, we can see we've got a good density knocking about. We've got a few squished worm casts, but they won't be an issue in the next few weeks. I think Fred approves of the stripes as well. It's nice to see these in early March without any need for a renovation. So if you want to follow along with more simple lawn tip videos like this, then consider subscribing to the channel. I've got loads of things planned for this year. We're keeping lawn care really simple, no jargon, no complicated techniques, simple products and not a lot of products to get yourself an unbelievably boss space. And you can actually even get golf green standards following the simple practices that I show on this channel. So if that takes your fancy, like and subscribe. And finally, thanks for watching. You saying bye, Fred? Fred says a nice one too.